In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to contact NFHS Network customer support. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of NFHS. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now scroll all the way down. Here you're going to find this section, About Us. Under this, you're going to find the option Help and Customer Support. Click on that. Now you will be directed to this kind of page. Here you're going to find different options. Click on the option related to your issue. Once you're over here, you're going to find different article option. Also, you can search for the specific one. At the top right, you're going to see the search box. Over there, you can type it. Once you found out the article related to your issue, you can click on it. Now you can just go through the article. Here you're going to find detailed solution. If still you are having the issue, what you want to do is click on the option of help. This is the NFHS chatbot. From here, you can start a live chat with their support team, which is the quickest way to get assistance for account issues, billing problems, or streaming errors. If you prefer email support, you can contact them directly at customersupport@nfhsnetwork.com. This is useful for issues like subscription problems, technical errors during broadcast, or payment-related concerns. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.